Hi everyone, my name is Panchinling and today we're playing week number 9 of the SDA. We're playing against Glamorgan Vale Great Tusk and their coach Just JH. Now before we jump into the battle, I want to tell a little how our situation is. We're currently in the first seed with 7-1 and we're playing against the 8th seed who is 4-4. Now if we win 4-0 or more, we're gonna kick him out of the 8th seed, but any other result makes us play against him again in the playoffs, round 1. Because if we lose, we end up 2nd seed and they end up in the 7th seed, so we play again, and if I win 3-0 or less, he's still in the 8th seed and I'm in the 1st seed, so no matter what we do, I still face him in round 1 of playoffs. So since I'm gonna very highly rematch him next week again, I kind of brought a B team. I didn't bring my best mounts. I didn't bring Chimpao. I didn't bring Gardevo. I didn't bring Garchomp. I didn't bring Goldengo. So I want to see if we can still win with this team. So I'll see you again in the battle. Alright, we're back. Have fun. Good luck to Just JH. Let's see what they bring. Tinglu, Noivern, Palafin, Volcarona, Donphan, and Earthstrings. So no Glimora and no Grimmsnarl. Let me change that real quick. So instead of Glimora, they brought, let me see, the Palafin. They brought the Palafin, which is kind of a surprise. Alright, Palafin, and they brought the Donphan instead of the Grimmsnarl. Alright. Instead of Grimmsnarl, they brought Donphan. There we go. There's the Donphan. What do we lead with? We could lead... I feel like they either lead Palafin or Noivern. So, but if you go for flip turn, I don't really want to go there yet. We could just lead with the Quillfish. If they go Donphan, yeah, if they lead Donphan, we are Sash, so we should still kill with 2 waterfalls. Alright, let's go. Intimidate is gonna, I think, scare away the Palafin. I think probably they're gonna switch into Donphan to spin away my hazards, which I didn't bring any. But since there's no Glimora, I don't have to worry about Toxic Spikes. There's the Palafin, yep. Alright. They could flip turn here, which is gonna be annoying. I'll just Source Sense anyways. Do you just raw? Do they hard swap into Donphan or they flip turn into Donphan? Which one? They hard swap into Donphan, okay. Fissure. This has to be the Donphan. It's Tinglu, okay. Alright, so how much does Quillfish do after Source Sense to the Tinglu? So at +2, I 2-hit KO the Tinglu, which is actually very nice. Let's go for Waterfall. We have a 20% chance to flinch here. Yeah, that's a clean 2 KO. Do we get a flinch? We do not. But that's fine. Tinglu is already gone. So no more Tinglu, unless he swaps here. Could swap into Noivern actually. That would be annoying, yeah, if you swap into Noivern here. Yeah, you could actually swap into Noivern. You have some defense investment here, because he would have been I would have done more. You could go Ursaring, but I think you go Noivern here. Your Terra Captains are only Noivern. You didn't bring the Glamora, so Noivern is the only one that can Terra here. Do I save this for Aqua Jet? Use Ursaring, okay. That's fine with me. Ooh, that's a clean 2 KO as well. Oh, that's your Choice Scarf? That is a lot. Ursaring. Let me see. Eviolite. Max HP Eviolite does under half, so that is not Eviolite. It should never be faster than me because I'm jolly. Unless this is Scarf. I go for Point Jab because it could be Scarf. It's not. Okay, so this just kills. Alright. There goes the Ursaring. That was a weird play. Weird play. But it's fine. Qwilfish got a kill. So I'm happy with that. Nashville has to be the Noivern here. Yep. I could go Hatterene here. Yeah, let's go Hatterene. Actually, if they're Noivern, you're not Frisk, so Noivern. If you are Choice Specs, Boom Burst, Terra Normal. Probably just Aqua Jet here, but Hatterene. It does take the hit, but I just Aqua Jet here. It just Aqua Jet. Let's see what he wants to do. No damage. He didn't Terra. U-turn. Makes sense. Probably fine with me. So we actually do get momentum out of here. This is its Terra, so I wanted to know if it was Specs or not. What do you go here? Palafin? Yeah, that's Palafin. Is this Choice Bandit? Palafin. Let me see. The Rotom Heat does not die. Actually, wait, if it's Hero Form. Okay, yeah, Hero Form does kill me with Wave Crash. A Tauros maybe? Could go Tauros. Just go for. Do we just go for a Terra Blast Fairy? Does he have a switch in Fairy? He does. Just go Tauros. He does have a switch in for Fairy, which is the Volcarona. I think I just CC here. It should, yeah, it should never kill me here. Then Headbutt could kill me after a CC. So I don't do much with Fairy though. I CC. Grass Knot. You're faster than me? Your Choice Scarf, what the heck? Your Choice Scarf, okay. That's actually very good. Very good. Choice Scarf. Should have Terra Fairy actually, but Grass Knot. How did that kill me? Why did that kill me actually? Choice Scarf Modest. Grass Knot does 76 to 90 at level 50. I'm not really sure why Grassno one-shotted me here. What happened? I go Braviary, but why did you one-shot me here? Level 50? Why did you one-shot me? Cog says it should never KO. And I'm Choice Scarf, so I should have been faster, 100%. Huh. That is... I don't understand. Why did I kill? Alright, I'll look up since it should be... It has to be Choice Scarf. 100% has to be Choice Scarf, but I don't understand. Why did it kill? It says Grassno does 77 to 92, which it never KOs. So, I don't know. It seems quite a weird play. I mean, no, it's not a weird play. That's Body Slam. Okay, Body Slam. Yeah, that's a nice clean 2 kill. Okay. Who died? Tauros. I still don't understand why Grassno killed, but I should still kill this. It's Body Slam. EMA +2 should kill. It is special. I am max HP, max special defense. I don't think this sweeps. There's no way this sweeps. The fact that actually Palafin is special means that the Toadskrull takes the hit much better from the Palafin. And so does the Hatterene. Grassnut. I still can't figure out why that killed. There's the Body Slam, this should kill. It does. Okay. Here goes the Donphan. Donphan. Okay. So this should kill the Tinglu. This should one-shot the Volcarona. Nashville is the Tinglu. That's a Norway, okay. That is risk. Okay. Do you go Steel here? I still Body Slam regardless. It's like, I don't have anything else. Flamethrower. It did nothing. Uh-oh. Are we gonna 4-0? That is not good. We can't 4-0, guys. If we 4-0 him, he's out of playoffs. It means I have to play King Sosa. Which I actually want to avoid, because I don't want to play against Walking Wake again. So what do we do here? We could swap against Palafin. Let it kill the Rotom. Still Body Slam here. We should actually kill... It does not! Ruination. That's actually annoying. I'm actually a little scared because the monsters that are left don't actually beat the whole Corona. Let's watch them again. There goes the Tinglu. Okay. So what do we do here? I don't think you can go over Corona here because you still die. Right? Well, Corona. Offensive Cover Dance. That's Braviary. Flamethrower does 32 to 30. Yeah, that's the Palafin. Since this is special. Okay, how much does Surf do if it's special? Palafin. It has to be Choice Scarf. Modest. Hero. 215. How much does Surf do? I'm a +1. Surf does 30 to 35, so it does not kill me. Wave Crush does 36 to 43, which doesn't kill me either. So I'll just go for Roost. I want to see what it does. It's for Ice Beam. That actually does kill me, I think. Yeah. Okay, but he's locked into. Well, he crit. Definitely, that definitely kills me there. Was the crit important? Let me see. Ice Beam. Level 50. I was at 85, right? Yeah, that was kills. Crit did not matter. Okay, so I think we go Rotom. Since he's locked into Ice Beam. It is a 3-0, so we officially play against Just Jade again. Let's see, Rotom against Volcarona. Offensive, if it's max HP, and we go for a nasty plot and they Quiver Dance. If I nasty plot, can I 2-shot it with Discharge? I do not. I'm sorry. I feel like I have to go for nasty plot regardless. Yeah, that's all about. I still can't understand why the Grassland one-shot at Tauros, but I'll check after the battle. Just an nasty plot. I think I'll nasty plot again. Right, a +4. This Discharge has a chance to Tooth Kill. Overheat has a chance to Tooth Kill as well. Actually, do I just go for Overheat? 2 Overheats. Yeah, I just go for Overheat. If he swaps into Palafin, that's a great play. Just a Covenant, yes. We should 2-hit KO this. Unless we miss, obviously. There's the Overheat, it should do like 60-70%. Yeah, still could. Unless they have Morning Sun. If they have Morning Sun... That could be bad. I don't think it can beat this anymore, since Sideshow could. So let's Volt Switch. Giga Drain. Okay, that is completely fine with us. I don't think Volt Switch kills. Yeah, that's not. That's fine. You go Hatterene. Hatterene is specially defensive. It's max HP, max special defense actually. We just go for Psyshock. I don't think they have Morning Sun. And if they do, and we don't 2-hit KO, well, that's GG, I guess. Giga Drain, okay. So they do not have Morning Sun. Psyshock should kill. It does, okay. And the only thing left is the Palafin. Come on, just... There we go. The only thing left is the Palafin. We are Pasho Berry just for this. I think they have to lock themselves in Surf. Okay, so we have time. We're just gonna go for Giga Drain here. Okay, let's go for Giga Drain. They should lock themselves in the surf. I still can't grasp. Unless grass not crit and I didn't see it. Oh, this is a nice tooth KO. Okay. So we're actually gonna 3-0 Just Age. And I think we... They don't kill us. Yeah, Giga Drain just cannot do it. Okay, so we 3-0. I think this means we have to play them again next week. Thank you, Just Age, for playing this game. Probably see you next week again. And for you guys, hope you liked the battle. Go check their side of the match as well. And until next week.